Is there biblical evidence for the structure of the Mass? When Catholics go to Mass, some people ask, is this really in the Bible, or is it just a tradition? The truth is, the Mass is deeply rooted in Scripture, from beginning to end. First, we start with the liturgy of the Word. This mirrors what Jesus did after his resurrection on the road to Emmaus in Luke 24. He walked with the disciples, explained the Scriptures to them, and their hearts burned within them. Just like at Mass, we hear readings from the Old Testament, the Psalms, the New Testament, and then the Gospel, all pointing us to Christ. Then comes the liturgy of the Eucharist. At the Last Supper, in Matthew 26, Mark 14, Luke 22, and 1 Corinthians 11, Jesus took bread and wine, gave thanks, and said, "This is my body, this is my blood, do this in memory of me." That's exactly what happens at every Mass. The priest, acting in the person of Christ, repeats those very words. Even the early church followed this structure. Acts 2:42 says the first Christians devoted themselves to the apostles' teaching and fellowship, to the breaking of bread and the prayers. That's the Mass: Scripture, preaching, prayer, and the Eucharist. So when someone asks if the Mass is biblical, the answer is yes. Not only biblical, but it's the fulfillment of worship as God intended.